the Forest Park Fountain, and then further up, the museum, the Missouri History Museum. There we go. Yeah, so this path, this sort of perimeter path, if you will, goes all around this park. It's awesome. Wow. Yeah. Missouri History Museum, Jefferson Memorial. And yeah, we're just gonna keep going, guys, because this is a beautiful patch right here. Oh yeah, guys, it's 2:46. So if we're at oh wow, you know, probably be like 3:30 that we get to the Italian joint, because I think it said about half hour from downtown. I think like 23 minutes from the southwest corner of the park, if I'm not mistaken. So we should be there about 3:30. And yeah, if they can serve them up pretty quickly, hopefully we'll be out of there by 4. But then 4:38 is sundown. You know, if I'm 10-15 minutes away from the hotel past sundown, it's not a big deal. But well, we'll see. We shall see. Oh. Well, then at least we'll be coming home with the wind, because right now still we're sort of pedaling out south. At least we're not going west too much. So actually from here on out, wow, look at those homes, guys. Yeah, from here on out, we should be getting pushed by that westerly. All right. Hello. Right. So yeah, keep in mind, guys, I was up at 4 a.m. today. So all of this is fine and dandy. All of this is really cool until you start pedaling and sit down, then you automatically want to fall asleep. Oh. Very subtle. But there is a bit of an incline here, guys. I guess we are heading towards the hill, aren't we?